also in the case of repeat betrayals with the same partner, unless and until there is a profound change that shakes up that relationship to the core, there really aren't kind of many consequences here. And so there really are no lessons learned. And we do this for any number of reasons. We do this because of financial fear, fear of change, fear of the unknown, religious reasons. That's a big one. Not wanting to break up a family. I get all the reasons, but when even in the study, there were 3 groups who did not heal. And one group was the group where the betrayer had very little consequences. And I saw 2 things to that with that group. Number 1, a further deterioration of the relationship. And number 2, that group was the most physically sick with symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. So know that you're doing everything you can to, whether it's keep your family together, keep the marriage together, just prevent changes from happening, but be very aware that you may be doing that at your own expense.